Neutron.
Greater the mass, smaller the E by M value. Greater the mass, smaller the E by M value. E by M value of any particle is constant. E by M value of any particle.
So in every case, E by M is constant, sir.
But
In every case, E by M is constant, sir.
not every gas, every particle I am telling. Not every gas. Suppose if you take a cathode rays, if you take a discharge tube, in that if you take a certain amount of gas, whatever the gas you take, so it contains a stream of particles that are called electrons. Electrons E by M value is constant, or cathode rays E by M value is constant, not anode rays. Anode rays E by M value is not constant. Clear? Anode rays E by M value is not constant, but proton E by M value is constant. Beta particle E by M value is constant. What is alpha particle? You know. What is beta particle?
Neutron.
Neutron.
Nothing but a positive electron, or also known as positron. Positron or positive electron. So these positrons or positive electrons, you will get in radioactive substances. Okay. Next, what is the relation between energy and wavelength, students? Formula, can you say? E1
Inversely proportional. E is equal to hc by lambda.
E1 by E2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. That only, na?
Yes, sir.
E1 by E2 is lambda 2 by lambda 1. Formulas, say without formulas, I can't do anything, or you can't do anything. I can't do anything means I cannot explain that much clarity if you don't have formula. Why you may get in your mind what sir is writing something I can't understand anything means you can't understand anything means you are not attended the previous class, or you are not prepared that formulas well. It indicates that. Okay, na? Again, you should not blame us. First, you have to be perfect in the formulas. Clear? Next, what is the formula for average atomic mass? Average atomic mass formula enama? Average atomic mass is equal to percentage abundance into atomic mass plus percentage abundance into atomic mass plus percentage abundance into atomic mass. He give 3 percentage abundances. Percentage abundance into atomic mass plus percentage abundance into atomic mass plus percentage abundance into atomic mass divided by total percentage. Total percentage means 100. Okay, na? Next, E is equal to hc by lambda. E is equal to h nu. Nu is equal to c by lambda. Nu is equal to nu bar into c. These are all formulas you have to remember. Okay, na? Every formula, if you remembered well, we can solve easily this type of questions. Yes. Now come to question number 1. How many completed? Did you completed anything in level 2? See, again and again I am saying it is not possible to say everything. Not possible. How many completed, Vinay? 13 completed. Okay, very good. Next,
Sir. Sir, fifth one doubt, sir.
ಈ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಬೇಡ. ಯು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್?
Sir, 13.
Up to 13 you are completed. ಓಕೆನಾ? Listen. First one. Which of the following is wrong? Cathode rays have constant E by M ratio. That is correct. Cathode rays means nothing but electron. E by M ratio of anode rays is not constant. That is also correct. Next, E by M ratio of protons is not constant. E by M ratio of protons is constant. Okay, na? E by M ratio of protons is constant. E by M ratio of particle beta particles is constant. So, except the third one, all are correct. So, third option is not correct. So anode rays, proton C by M ratio is constant. We have now some value 1.75 something. Next, second one ma N alpha P na. Second one N alpha P. Okay na. Next, andre least E by M value for neutron, highest E by M value for electron. Andre as the mass of particle increases, E by M value decreases. E by M value decreases. As the mass of particle increases, E by M value decreases. Clear? Next. What is wrong about anode rays? What is wrong about anode rays? Can you say?
The EM by ratio is
Ratio is
constant.
constant.
That is wrong. Already first question we have na. Next, fourth question ma. In an oil drop experiment, the charges on oil drop were found to be 1.5 into 10 power minus 5, 15. Okay, 10 power minus 15. Another one is 3 into 10 power minus 15. Another one is 4.5. 4.5 into 10 power minus 15. Another one is 6 into 10 power minus 15. What is the formula for charge of electron? Q is equal to N into E.
N
N into E.
So Q is equal to N into E. So you please take this E as it is. Q means charge. So what is the charge given? 1.5 into 10 power 15. Alva? 1.5 into 10 power minus 15. Case 1 means what is N value you will get? And if you take 1, if you take N is equal to 1, you will get same value. Hello students.
Sir, same value, sir.
Yes, sir, same value, sir.
You get N into N is equal to 1, you will get same value. If you take N is equal to 2, if you take N is equal to 2, this Q is fixed. So case 2, 3 into 10 power minus 15 into 2 into E. Charge is 3 into 10 power minus 15 and 2 into E. Next, fourth one, 4.5 into 10 power minus 15, 3 into E. Fourth case, 6 into 10 power minus 15 into 4 into E. Here, what are these all values? Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Q is equal to N into E in the problem. The smallest charge is what? 1.5 into 10 power
1.5 divided by 115. Option 1.
Yes, yes, and it is integral multiples of all charges are integral multiples of 1.5 into 1, 1.5, 1.5 into 2,
3.
1.5 into 3,
4.5.
4.5.
1.5 into 4.
6.
So here, which charge I have taken as constant?
1.5.
1.5.
1.5 is called integral multiples of all charges. So that's why the electron, the charge on electron is same in all cases, and it will be 1.5 into 10 power minus 15. So by using 1.5 we can calculate all integral multiples. So that's why 1.5 into 10 power minus 15 is the answer. Next one. Question number 5. When the speed of electron increases, the specific charge
Decreases.
how? Listen. Please observe this formula. I will show one formula. According to that formula, we have to formulate. This is the formula. What you are observing? One formula you are observing. Mu U ME is equal to. This is my formula.
Yes, sir.
ME is equal to m naught divided by root of 1 minus nu by c, sorry, v by c whole square. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ c ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Speed of light.
Here I am writing formula me is equal to m naught divided by root of 1 minus v by c into whole square into formula. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ me means what? Mass of electron. Aita? What is me? Mass of electron. M naught means mass of electron in rest. Rest mass of electron. What is the relation between mass of electron with respect to velocity?
Inversely proportional.
U means velocity of light, V means velocity of electron. V means velocity of electron, C means velocity of light. If V is equal to C, mass of moving electron becomes infinity. Andre ಎರಡು equal ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ mass of electron becomes infinity. Here what is the relation between V and me, mass of electron? Inversely proportional?
Yes, sir.
Sir, inversely proportional.
Inversely proportional. Andre what is the relation between rest mass and electron? Rest mass of electron in rest and velocity. If you take v naught separately, what you will get?
Directly proportional.
Directly proportional. Andre as the velocity increases, mass of electron in rest is increases. Mass of electron increases, specific charge. Specific charge means C by M value
Decreases.
Decrease.
Decreases.
as the mass of electron increases, E by M value decreases. Just now I told you why neutron E by M value is less when compared with all, because neutron mass is that is neutron is the heavier particle in the atom. So that's why we are getting least E by M value for neutron. And moreover, it does not has any charge. So that's why mass is greater. We are taking E by M charge by mass. Mass value greater andre kadime value barutte. So that's why greater the mass, lesser is the E by M value. So rest mass of electron we have to take with respect to rest mass of electron. Okay, na? So that's why actually we don't have that formula even in textbook also. Some students are reading NCERT book. Na? Did you identify any formula? This type of formula?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So that's why I think this formula you will get in physics. I think why? Because velocity he given.
Yes, sir.
Velocity returns. So up to that, you please remember that, sir. Beyond that, I don't know why. Because I don't have any data to solve the question. If data is there, we can identify easily. Say for example, oil drop experiment we have. So oil drop experiment is somewhat difficult to understand. But if you know the charge of each oil droplet, we can identify charge. We can identify charge of electron by using this formula. Like that, if you have any data, it is solved too easily. But this type of problems you can't solve without data. So direct we have to remember. Okay, na? Specific charge is decreases with increasing velocity. That's all. That I can say. Next. Question number 6. Magnitude of deflection of cathode rays in discharge tube is more. When the deflection is more, suppose two bodies, A and B bodies. A and B bodies. A body weight is 10 kg, B body weight is 5 kg. So, which can we move easily? Which can we deflect easily?
Lighter object.
Lighter object. 5 kg.
Okay, andre lesser the mass, deflection is more. Lesser the mass, deflection is more. You have cricket ball, you have volleyball. Which one you can throw more fast? Volleyball or cricket ball? Cricket ball only na?
Yes, sir.
We do cricket ball like that. So if mass of particle is less, deviation is more. Mass of particle is less, deviation is lighter the mass, deviation is more. As well as deviation is also depends on magnitude of electric and magnetic field. Andre, greater the electric field and greater the magnetic field. What happens if the particle has a
Greater
charge?
deflection.
Deflection is more.
It is easily deviated. It is easily deviated. So that's why magnitude of deflection is depends on charge as well as fields of electric and magnetic fields as well as mass of particle. So these three are the factors. Okay. Next. Question number 17. Wise answer. Think and say the answer. First option only. First question only the answer. For seventh question, we have option in first question. Please say. He is taking what mark? Cathode ray C by M value is telling X. Cathode ray C by M value constant or different?
Constant, sir. First chance.
Very
X,
good.
whatever the compound will be.
When hydrogen is filled in the discharge tube, what will be its value? When deuterium is filled in it. So cathode rays is depends on gas or independent on gas? No?
Independent.
Independent.
Cathode rays are independent of the gas, but anode rays are depends on the gas.
Dependent.
Here, cathode rays
Depends
is
on the gas.
independent of the gas means whatever the gas you take in cathode ray discharge tube, E by M value fixed.
Yes, sir.
Right? What is the E by M value of gas that is taken in hydrogen? You will get certain value. Instead of hydrogen, if you take E by M value of deuterium, you will get same result. Na? Right? Cathode rays does not depends on gas. It is independent of gas. So that's why E by M value is fixed. So that's why same X unit you will get. Same X unit you will get. Are you clear? I think
Yes,
you
sir.
are. I think you understood easily.
Yes, sir.
Cathode
sir.
rays are independent.
The postulates, sir.
Yenamma?
Cathode rays, properties of cathode rays. You had given that point, sir. It's independent of gas.
Okay. Given. Very good. Next, eighth question. Can you say Tiwari? Tiwari ji,
Yes, sir.
आपको आंसर बोलिए.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Sorry, students. National language Hindi na. We have to speak few words. What is isoelectronic and isotopic? Isotopic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ numbers same? Which numbers are same? Isotopic.
Atomic number.
Atomic number is same.
Down numbers.
Down.
Okay. Next, isoelectronic means which contains the same
Same
number of
electron.
Electrons.
You see, students, first option, they are isoelectronic. First option, but not isotopes. Clear? Yakandre, calcium 20 atomic number, argon 18. So they are not isotopes, but they are isoelectronic. Second one, if you take K plus K plus, K plus K plus means
18.
Same electrons.
Same electrons.
18 electrons means it is isoelectronic. K atomic number same. So that's why
Yes,
it
sir.
is isoelectronic as
Yes,
well
sir.
as isotopic.
Yes.
Next. Question number 9. Please remember the formula. Average mass is equal to the formula, average atomic mass. Here, X has three isotopes, he is telling. Okay, na? What is the percentage of first isotope?
90.
90. Percentage into what is its atomic weight, ma? Atomic weights and
200.
200.
200. Second one, 8 into
199.
plus
2 into 202.
external 2 into
202.
divided by 100.
Divided by 100.
Yes.
Please solve. So your answer almost you will get near to 200. Why? How can you say near to 200? 200 abundance is more than, that is approximately, it is looking like 100%, other 90%. 90% means your answer looks like near to 200. But I don't know how much you are getting. $199.9 under 200. 200 answer.
Yes, sir.
Next. 10th one, can you solve? 10th one, Chitra Sriraj. Isotonic means what? Same number of neutrons.
Same number of neutrons. First one option, sir. First option.
Wait. Carbon, nitrogen, fluorine, given. Carbon is 14, the 15, ಇದು 17. Neutrons formula A minus Z. Students, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
14 minus 6, 8.
8.
15 minus 7,
8.
17 minus 9.
8.
So all have same A minus Z. A minus Z means neutrons. So that's why they are isotonic. First option. What's wrong with the second option? May I know? What's wrong with the second option? First one has only 3 neutrons. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Wrong. 6 to 12 ಇರಬೇಕು. Big mistake. So C9 ಇರಲ್ಲ. How carbon with atomic number 9. Carbon with mass
Yes,
number different means we can write. You know? Silly mistake. C6 please write. You know? 6 you are getting ma. 12 minus 6 andre 6. 14 minus 7 andre
7.
7.
So only difference is there. Only 6 on 7. So it's not correct. Next. Question number 10. Third option. What's wrong with that? 14 minus 7 andre 7. 17 minus 9 andre 8. So different. Next. Fourth option is also different. Okay, so that's why 10th one is first option correct. Next, 11th question. 11th question. An ion with mass number 56. Mass number 56 contains. Oh, sorry, 11th one, not that one. That is 12th one. Isoelectronic series. Identify madam. Please solve. If you want, I will explain first one. If you want, I will explain first one.
Sir, third option, sir.
But sir, we don't want your help. We will do our own means. I can't do anything. So I will appreciate you. Third option. Okay. For few students, they are confusing about isoelectronic series. For them, I want to explain first option. Whether you are getting answer or not, I don't know. How to calculate isoelectronic, how to identify isoelectronic series. Now I will explain first option. Remaining options you please apply. N2 O2 minus NO plus CO. These are the options in set 1. Okay, na? N2 means 7 plus 7, 14 electrons. Any doubt in this? Nitrogen atomic number 7 only, na? So 7 plus 7, 14 electrons. So you don't think about this negative charge first. O2 means 8 plus 8 plus 1. Why this one? Students, anyone can respond?
Sir, it
Gain one
gained
electron.
Because of one negative.
One extra electron.
Negative.
Minus one extra electron only. So this 17. This one, how to solve? Atomic number.
7 plus 8 minus 1.
7 plus 8 plus minus
8 minus 1.
What is
14, sir.
either?
6 plus 8.
Plus 8.
So now you please do, if you have doubt, second and third and fourth options. Okay. Na? Basics you should not forget. Isoelectronic series, isotopes, electronic configurations. No need to, should not forget at any cost. So don't lose any hope regarding that questions. Why? Because very, very important concepts in chemistry. Remaining concepts, whenever you forget, again you revise, you can understand easily. But basics you should not forget. Basic means for mathematics, if you forget the tables, what you can do? Clear? While you are doing trigonometric calculations, if you forget the formulas, can't do anything. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, na? Tan 90 infinity. Okay, na? Cos 45, 1 by root 2, like that. Okay, na? Basics you should not forget. In chemistry, basics means electrons, protons, neutrons, electronic configurations, atomic weights, molecular weights, the basics. Okay, na? Next, question number 12. Please observe question number 12. An ion with mass number 56 contain 3 units of positive charge and 30.4% more neutrons than electrons. The ion is 30.4% more neutrons than electrons. The ion is. Please remember.
Second option, sir.
Take x plus 3. We don't know what is x. But he is. Why I wrote plus 3? Can you say?
Written in
3
the
units
question,
of positive charge.
positive charge.
In the given question, he is telling ion with the mass number 56 and that is outside, right? 56. Okay, na? Contains 3 units of positive charge. 3 units of positive charge means plus 3 tane. Okay, and 30.4% more neutrons than electrons. The ion is. Okay, na? Here, what is the difference between neutral atom and ion? Please say neutral atom and ion difference.
Charge particles are ions.
Very good. Charged particles are
No
ion.
charge particles in neutral atom.
Okay, na? But you are not saying the key point. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಫಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ protons and electrons are same, that you have to say. So this is the information I know from the question. Come to the point. Let the number of electrons in x plus 3 is equal to x. I don't know electrons in x plus 3. I am taking as x. Small x. What about neutrons? Neutrons means formula we know. This value is
A
there,
minus Z.
but this value we don't know. Okay, na? Let the number of neutrons x plus. How many neutrons are excess? How many?
30.4
How many?
percentage.
30.4.
30.4%.
30.4x. Then electrons is telling. So electrons I am taking x. 30.4% x. 30.4% means it is in 100% only na.
Yes, sir, 100%.
100.
By 100.
Neutrons is equal to x plus 30. That means we don't know this is also. We don't know this value also. So x plus, but how many x's? 30.4% of neutrons are excess in the ion. So 30.4x by 100. Suppose decrease ಇರಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ means nothing but it is plays important role in mass number. So that's why if any question is given like this, we have to do this is the process. X plus 30.4x by 100. Now next, number of electrons. In neutral atom, number of electrons formula idu bere. Number of electrons in neutral atom is equal to
P.
x plus 3. Yake x plus 3? X as usual electrons. I am removing the starting plus 3 electrons. That is also I am adding. You will get neutral now. Vaga. Simple technique appa. Be plus 3 is there. Be plus 3 means how many electrons? 1 electron.
Yes, sir, 1 electron.
It has only 1 electron. So Be atom I will say. Be atom I will say. How many electrons you will say?
4.
4.
Electrons. Like that. X plus 3 and X electrons I am telling. Neutral atom means that original electrons plus 3 I have to add now.
Yes, sir.
This is ion. This is not ion. So that's why original electrons also I have to write now. So that's why X plus 3. What about protons? Children. Protons also X plus 3 now. For atom, you only told now P is equal to E anta. So E, how many are there? P is also same now. X plus there. Next, number of that is mass number is equal to neutrons plus protons. Formula alva mass number formula enna? Protons plus neutrons only na? Yes. Mass number given 56. 56 is equal to neutrons estidema. X plus 30.4x divided by 100 plus protons X plus 3. We simplify ಮಾಡಿಯಮ್ಮ
1.304x.
plus 3 into 100 minus 53 is equal to, can you see here? 53 is equal to, simplify, how much I will get?
1.304x.
1.3 na 2.3 na ನೋಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ 53 is equal to 2.304x. ಈ x ನು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ x plus x. ಇದು 1. You told 1.304x plus x. 2.304x only na. X is equal to what now? 53 divided by 2.304. The x is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು now? X is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು?
23.
20?
3.
23 or 26 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 23 na.
Sir, 23, sir.
23. Okay. 23. Substitute in this formula. So protons is equal to estimate.
26.
So x plus 3 andre 23 plus 3 that is equal to 26. So 26 where it is, that is the answer. Ellidama 26 third option second option.
Second option, sir.
Second option. Okay, no? That is the answer. Ion, neutral atom, we have tried and compared, that's all. Next, Vegama, complete ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ you have the examination up to 21 question. 20 actually my target is to complete 30, not at all possible. 13 question can you solve? Previously I wrote one formula, percentage average atomic mass is equal to percentage of abundance plus into atomic weight plus percentage of abundance into atomic weight divided by 100. Can you solve?
Yes, sir.
So first here percentage of abundance not given. What we have to take? One you take x, another one you take 100 minus x. So if you know,
Yes, sir.
percentage of abundance of one, another one is 100 minus that only, now you will get it.
Yes, sir.
Abundance we will take for 100% only. Percentage of abundance. So that's why initially if it, I will write the formula. Average atomic mass given 35.5. Average atomic mass is equal to x into 37 plus 100 minus x into 35 divided by 100. Percentage of abundance into atomic weight plus percentage of abundance into atomic weight divided by 100. But I don't know here what are the percentage of abundances. If you take the first one is x, say for example you got x at 25%. 100 minus x ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
75%.
Like that only, na? So either 25 or 75. So if you solve x, how much you will get? 25 or 100 minus x is equal to 75. 25 is to 75 means 25 1 ja 25 3 ja. So 1 is the ratio. Next one, please somewhat fast. Calculation part, whatever is there, you please solve home at least. Question number 14. Visible spectrum extends from 400 nanometers to 50 nanometers. Hence, frequency ratio is mu1 by mu2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Shall I write, children? Wavelength to frequency inversely proportional. Enama? No response. Wavelength to frequency inversely proportional. So here I am not taking C value. C cancel out. U1 by U2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. U1 by U2 is equal to 750 by 400. 750 by 400 estimate 15 by 8.
Yes, sir. 15 by 8.
Next. Formula number 15th one. Minu came.
C nu bar.
Nu is equal to nu bar into not correct.
Nu is equal to C nu bar.
Therefore, nu is equal to nu bar into C na.
Yes, sir.
What is given ma? Frequency is asking nu is equal to nu bar into C formula. Okay, nu is equal to nu bar into C. apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? Will you solve?
Yes, sir.
Next. Yes, 16th one I will say. 17th, 18th you have to say instantly. Please observe. 16th one I will say. Is it correct formula? Energy and wavelength. U2 by U1
Yes, sir.
lambda by lambda. Okay na? Here energy of first radiation is 25, energy of second radiation is 50. The relation between their wavelengths is 25 50 equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. 25 1 ja 25 2 ja. Okay. Lambda 1 is equal to 2 lambda 2 nena. Enama?
Yes, sir.
The answer. Next. Question number 17. Can you try? Yes, same formula. Ma.
Yes, sir. 2:1.
E1 by E2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Andre 6000 by 3000. Students, same formula. 2:1. Next. Brahmara, what is the answer for 18? Brahmara,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer for 18, may I know?
Sir, 16,000 divided by 8,000 is nothing but. Sir, E1 is equals to 2 E2.
E1 is equal to 2E2, na?
Yes, sir.
Same formula, alva? But he given wavelengths, that's all we have to change. So first wave, second wavelength by first wavelength value we have to take as usual. Students, any difficulty in question number 18? No difficulty. E1 is equal to 2E2. Next, 19. 19, he given electron volts, wavelength given in, sorry, wavelength we have to calculate, energy given in electron volts. No need to worry. So 1 electron volt is equal to how many joules, children? Already I told in conversion. Please remember, 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. In ergs, in ergs difference is 7 difference ergs joules.
7 difference.
12 ergs, 10 power minus 12 ergs. Please remember, students. Yakandre in solutions he given different formula. How many formulas we will remember? So for this silly, no need to remember all formulas. 1 electron volt is equal to, conversion we have to remember. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules plus 1.602 into 10 power minus 12 x. Formula ಏನಂದ್ರೆ E is equal to hc by lambda. Lambda is equal to hc by E. H value is given in question? No. What we have to do? Please remember. H value, students, please remember. We have to take in x. I am taking in x now. Why? Because we will get in centimeters. 6.626 into 10 power minus 27 into 3 into 10 power 10 divided by 1.602 into 10 power minus 12 into 5. Idu convert Excel convert madidre. Sir, why you are taking in centimeters means according to given options I am taking centimeter. Artha Yesterday I told one conversion. If you take H value in joules, C value we have to take in meters. If you take H value in ergs, C value we have to take in centimeter. Yesterday I told na. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, I don't know exactly. I told, but this conversion.
Yes, sir.
So please solve this one. You will get as it is answer. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಪವರ್ಸ್. ಇದು -12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ +12, 27 minus 22, 5, 10 power minus 5. Okay. Again 10 power minus 5, we have two options. 6.626 into 3 by.
Sir, second option, 2.47 10 to the power of -5 centimeter.
Exactly, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. The second option. Next, 20. I don't want what is given in solution in that side. I think it did not give in the solution. But if you remember this, you can write it in how many formulas. Basic formula we have. Next month. Question number 20. Calculate the wavelength of light required to break the bond between. Wavelength we have to calculate. No? Energy given. No? Energy given. What we have to do? Energy is equal to bond energy per molecule by Avogadro number. We have to take one. Per mole by Avogadro number. You will get the energy of one atom. So Avogadro number means, you know, which contains 6 into 10 power 23 particles is called Avogadro number. He given in question that value also. So that's why E is equal to first
273 by 1 mole.
273 na ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ?
243
243 joules or kilojoules?
kilojoules.
Kilojoules per mole.
243 into 10 power 3 joules. What is this 10 power 3 ma?
Kilo.
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 Instead of kilo, I am writing 10 power 3. Okay. Next, 6.02 into 10 power 3. You will get energy of 1 atom. How much? 243 into 10 power 3 by 6.02 into 10 power 3. How much you will get? Please say. Illandre lambda is equal to hc by E. E value substitute made as this. Will you solve?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Question number how much? 21. Last question. Complete. The photon of 3. The intelligent question important. This type of questions. A photon of 300 nanometer is absorbed by a gas. This is one gas mark. It absorbs wavelength ಎಷ್ಟು?
300 nanometer.
300 nanometer.
Like that. So after some time it emits two radiations. One radiation wavelength is 496.
496 nanometer.
Another one we don't. Okay. If you pass this wavelength to this gas, it is emitting two radiations. One radiation wavelength is 496 nanometer. Another photon wavelength we have to calculate. Note the formula E is equal to E1 plus E2. We don't know E2. E2 is equal to E minus E1. E andre formula ಏನಮ್ಮ? E
hc by lambda.
hc
hc by 300
by
nanometer.
1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda 1.
Okay na? hc by lambda. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ E is equal to hc. We will take common na students.
Sir, hc will cancel.
HC into 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught. So calculate ಮಾಡಿ. HC, H value how much?
Sir, HC will cancel no, sir.
6.62 10 to the power of 34.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ H ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ. ಓಕೆನಾ? 6.626 into 10 power minus 34. Next 3 into 10 power 8. 1 by first one 300 nanometers ಅಲ್ಲಿ meters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 1 by 496 into 10 power minus 9 nanometers. Sorry, minus 9 meters. So please simplify that. Actually, HC value he will given as HC only. This much calculation, how much time we required in objective examination. Okay, na? So that's why maximum simplified values he will give. Formula is the same. Simplified values he will give. Lower values. This is for practice purpose, so that's why he will give like that. This much given means how much time we require. 3 hours time you have to write all subjects. So that's why in chemistry particularly you will get maximum 7 or 6 problems, problematic questions. That's all. The meaning the theory related questions only. 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 equal 3 into 10 power 8. 1 by 300 into 10 power minus 9 minus 1 by 496 into 10 power minus 9. So please do this. Okay, na? So these are the questions. Na? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Please try photoelectric effect also. If you good questions are there, good knowledge questions are there in photoelectric effect. So definitely you may gain some knowledge from the topic, particularly photoelectric effect. Okay, na? Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.